Yo, conduction heat. Yeah. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, I'm in the kitchen, skillet on the flame. Touch the pan, ouch, that's conduction, ain't the game. Heat moves fast through a metal zone. From the burner to the bacon, right down to the bone. No air, no wave, just solid to solid. Direct contact, yeah, the science is solid. Frying up eggs with a golden shine. Thank conduction for that sizzle so fine. Conduction, convection, radiation, whoa. That's how heat makes your dinner glow. In the oven or the pot or the barbecue station. Let me break it down with some heat explanation. Now let's stir it up with the pot on the stove. Water's bubbling, see the liquid move and flow. That's convection, heat rising and falling. Like a roller coaster in that soup you're hauling. Hot stuff rises, cool drops low. Makes a circle like a dance, let the molecules go. Bacon in the oven, the air's in motion. Swirls around the cake with convection devotion. Conduction, convection, radiation, whoa. That's how heat makes your dinner glow. In the oven or the pot or the barbecue station. Let me break it down with some heat explanation. Now here comes heat from a brand new place. No touch, no flow, just energy and space. Like sun rays cooking earth all day. Radiation heats up in a microwave. It's all about waves, straight line, no stop. Zap that popcorn till the kernels pop. Infrared grilling, toasting the bread. Ain't no contact, but the heat still spread. How you fry that fish? Conduction heat, while the soup goes swish. Convection beat, microwave that dish. Radiation feed, all three ways to turn raw to eat. Conduction, convection, radiation, hey. Science in the kitchen, every single day. Heat on the move like a lyrical sensation. Cooking up meals with the heat transformation. So next time you eat and it tastes just right. Thank science for the heat that cooked it tight. Turn up the fire, now you're in the zone. Chef of the future with the thermodynamic tone.